On today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make up to $6,000 per week on Digistore24 as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. As you can see right here, today I made $329.45. You can see right here I made $98.13 yesterday using the strategy that I'm about to show you in this video. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to create a Digistore24 account. Once you create your accounts and login, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, marketplace. Once you click on the marketplace, you are going to see categories of digital products that you can promote to earn money. You can see a whole lot of them. Let me scroll down for you to see. You can see a whole lot of different categories of digital products that you can promote to earn money on this platform. You can see a lot of them. As I scroll, you can see many of them. If you don't want to promote digital products, you can click right here, physical products, so that you can select physical products and then promote them. In this video, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be promoting a physical product. So once you click on the physical product, we are going to select supplements. Once you select supplements, you can see a lot of different supplements that you can promote. You can see this supplement, the commission rate is $106.20. So that is the amount that you are going to earn per every sale that you get. So when you scroll down, there are many of them that you can promote on this platform. In this video, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be promoting this product right here, Still Bite Pro. This product, I've been promoting it and I get a lot of sales anytime I promote it. So it's one of the best products that you can promote to make money on this platform. This product is about how to keep your teeth healthy and then strong, how to whiten your teeth. So it is a dental product. So anytime you are promoting the product, you have to target people who want to whiten their teeth. You have to let the customers be aware of how this product can help them to whiten their teeth. You have to create an awareness of the product so that they can buy from you for you to earn a commission on this platform. So if you want to get more information about the product, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, sales page, so that you can get some basic information about the product before you begin to promote it. Once you click on the sales page, you can see right here they have a video that your potential customers have to watch before they decide to purchase the product. This video has enough information that can convince people to purchase the product. So your duty is to get traffic to this particular landing page for people to view the video and then purchase the product for you to make money. When you scroll down, you can see right here the customers, they have the chance to choose any of these packages that they want. So you can see right here they have 1 month supply, they have 6 months supply, and they have 3 months supply. So any of the packages that your customers want, once they choose and make a purchase, you are going to be earning money. It doesn't matter which of them that they choose. So any of them that they choose, you are still going to be earning $98 as a commission anytime they make a purchase. You can see right here your customers are going to get free shipping. So anytime they purchase, they are not going to be paying the shipping fee. This company will take care of the shipping cost. So what you have to do is that you have to just get traffic to this product so that they will visit the landing page and read all these details. Once you get many people to read about the product, some of them are going to purchase it. Once you get to know some basic information about the product, the next step is that you have to get your affiliate link. You can see this is my affiliate link. Your affiliate link is a unique link that this company is going to use to track any sales that you get. Once they track the sales through your link, they are going to be paying you. So the number of sales that you get will determine the amount that you are going to be earning per day, per week, and per month. So if you get 1 sale, you are going to be earning this amount. If you get 2, this amount multiplied by 2. If you get 3, this amount multiplied by 3. So that is how it is done. Anytime you get a sale, you are going to be earning a commission. If you are new to the product, you are not going to be seeing a link like this. You are going to see something like promote now, just like this one, promote now. I have not promoted it before, that is why you are seeing this. So if you see something like this, just click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. I've been promoting this product, that is why you are not seeing promote now. You are just seeing my affiliate link. So now once you get your affiliate link, the next step is that you are going to drive traffic to this particular link so that you can get people to purchase the product for you to make money. What it means is that you have to get people who will click on this particular link and then purchase the product through this particular link so that you can be tracked and get paid. So the next step is that you have to find a traffic source. Now there are 2 traffic sources that you can use to get people to click on your link. We have the free traffic source and we have the paid traffic source. On this video, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you an unlimited free traffic source that you can use to get people to click on this particular link and then purchase the product for you to earn money. Once you get your affiliate link, the next step is that you are going to create a Twitter account. If you have a Twitter account, you can use that one. If you don't have one, you have to create a new Twitter account so that you can use it to promote the product for you to make money. On Twitter, there are a lot of traffic that you can get for free without paying for anything. So now what you have to do is that you have to use a simple trick so that you can get people to click on your link. Get people to click on your link. The first step is that you have to create a post about the product that you are promoting. You have to create a simple post so that people will be aware about the product before you insert your affiliate link for them to click through and then purchase the product for you to make money. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be using ChatGPT to create a simple post for us, a catchy post for us, so that we can post it on Twitter and drive traffic to our affiliate link. So you have to just write a prompt here so that ChatGPT will write a simple post for you. So just type something like write a Twitter post to promote. So once you give a prompt like this, you have to enter the product name right here. And when you come back on Digistore24, you can see this is the name of the product, Steel Bite Pro. So you can just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, just come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, write a Twitter post to promote Steel Bite Pro. That is your prompt. Once you have your prompt, just click right here for it to write a simple post for you. As you can see, it is writing a simple post right here. You can see it has written the post. If you don't like this post, you can just click right here, regenerate response, so that it will generate a new response for you. In this case, I like this particular post. So what you have to do is that you have to highlight and copy the post. Once you highlight and copy the post, you are going to come back on Twitter and then post it right here. As you can see, that has been done. I think the post is more than needed, so you can just delete some of them. Just delete it. Once you arrange your post well, the next step is that you are going to write a call to action. So you can write it down here or you can write it up. I want to write it down here, so just type your call to action, click here. So something like this, you can say click here for more, or you can just type something like click here. We want people to click on our affiliate link so that they can get access to the product. Once you have your call to action, the next step is that you are going to come back on Digistore24. Click right here to copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to search for tiny URL. So just search for tiny URL. Once you search for tiny URL, you are going to see a page like this. Click on the first link right here. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. Just paste your link right here. Once you paste your link, click on shorten URL. Once that is done, click right here to copy your affiliate link. Once you copy it, you are going to come back on Twitter and then paste your link right here. As you can see, that has been done. Your link has been pasted, but you can see the letters are more than required. So what you have to do is that you have to delete some of the words right here. So we are going to delete this particular point. Just delete it. As you can see, that has been done. Once you delete it, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to add an image, or you can add a GIF. So it depends on whatever that you want. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add an image. So what you have to do is that you have to search for free images that you can use without any copyright strike. So you are going to search for this website, pexels.com. Once you search for pexels.com, you are going to see a page like this. Just search for white teeth. Just search for white teeth, something like this. Once you search for it, you are going to see a page like this. You can see white teeth. So it depends on whatever that you want. As you can see, there are many images that you can use for free without any copyright strike. You can see many of them. In this case, I'm going to use this one right here. So just click on it. Click right here to download the image. As you can see, the image is downloading. Once you download your image, you are going to come back, click on the image icon right here. Just click on it, the media icon right here. Once you click on it, you are going to select the image and then click open. As you can see, that has been done. You can see this is the image. You can see your post. So now once you have your post, the next step is that you are going to tweet it to the platform. So just click right here, tweet. Once you tweet it, you can see this is your post. So anytime people read it, they are going to click on your link to get access to the product. But this account is new, so what you have to do is that you have to drive people to this particular post so that they can click on the link and then purchase the product. If you leave it like this, you might not get a lot of clicks because you don't have enough followers. So what you have to do is that you have to get people to retweet this particular post into their accounts so that you can get many people to click on your link. So now what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on profile. Once you click on profile, you can see your post right here. As you can see your post, you can see this is your post. So that is it. So now what you are going to do is that you have to copy the link to your profile. Just highlight and copy the link to your profile. Once you copy it, you are going to come on this website, entireweb.com. This website, you can use it to drive traffic to your Twitter posts, your Facebook posts, your YouTube videos, your website. So you are going to use it to drive traffic to our Twitter posts so that we can get people to click on our link and then purchase the product. So once you are on Entire Web, what you have to do is that you have to come right here, services. Entire Web is a search engine that you can use to rank your Twitter post. So it is one of the best platforms that you can use to drive traffic to your social media platform. So we are going to use it to drive traffic to our Twitter post. So once you click on our services, what you have to do is that you have to scroll down and then click on free submission. Once you click on free submission, you are going to see a page like this. Just scroll down, you can see you can submit a web page, a blog post, YouTube video, you can see Facebook post, Twitter post, Instagram, and the rest. In this case, we are using Twitter, so just click right here, click submit. Once you click on that, you can see Twitter address URL. So you are going to paste it right here. You are going to paste the link to your profile right here. This link that we copied, this particular link, you are going to paste it right here. Once you paste your link, the next step is that you are going to enter your email address right here. Once you enter the details, you are going to click right here so that Entire Web will drive traffic to your post so that you can get many people to click on your link and then purchase the product for you to make money. So just click right here, click here to submit. Once you click on that, you are going to confirm your email address so that they will know that you are a human, you are not a robot. So just go onto your email inbox and then click on the link to confirm. Once you come on your email inbox, you're going to see something like this. You can see right here, just click right here to confirm your submission. Once you click on it, you can see we've got it. Thank you for your submission. So your Twitter page has been submitted and you are going to be getting free traffic from this particular search engine. Once you get the free traffic, most of the people who view the posts are going to click on your link and then purchase the product for you to make money. So make sure you go and create a lot of posts and then use this particular search engine to drive traffic to your post so that you can be making money for free without investing anything. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.